So this will be part 2 of my caliper refurbishments on my Gsxr 1000. First thing to do is empty all that shit brake fluid out of there and then take them calipers off. So I'll get on with emptying that out and I'll bring you back when I'm taking them off. Will I? Will I bring you back? I don't need to, do I? All it is undoing that bolt there and taking the pipes off of each of them. I've loosened all the pistons, so they should just come out with the puller. Failing that, I'll get the airline in and try blowing them out. But yes, first of all, I'll empty that reservoir, take these off, and next time I'll see you be up there somewhere on the bench. So stay tuned for the fun. Okay, calipers are off. They are disgusting, hence why they're getting a bit of treatment. Still got some fluid in, so take them out and hopefully alright, that's the worst of it. That'll do. Now, put them back in just to stop a bit of the shit going in. It don't matter, does it? It's all coming apart. All coming to bits. Right, Allen key. Allen! About that size? Yeah. This is where you should have left it on the bike. No, don't round it off. Oh yeah, should have left it on the bike. Right, I think I'll bolt that back on. Give it another go when I've got it on the bike. But they are probably ain't been apart ever. Yeah, let's bolt that back on the bike and give that a whirl. Hang on a minute. Right, let's try that again. That's better. That is that, like that. That feels horrible. Bit of gunk in there. Right. there you can see the damage on the seal there being pushed out. The what's it called behind it? Thingamajig. Piston don't look too bad. It's always nice. They're quite expensive, the old pistons, aren't they? Nice. Last but not least, that's an awkward angle. Right down there. Bit of shit round up the top there, at the face of the piston itself. Very nice, no nooks or breakages or anything like that. Again, you can see that's getting pushed out. Won't show too well on the dodgy filming that I'm doing, but that is definitely further out than that, and there's a big lump of seal there that's coming away. So yes, no good. It's all, the seal pushes out and it grips your piston, and it grips it so tight that when you brake, it's a very stiff, as I say, wooden brake, which pushes the piston out, but the seal keeps wanting to pull it back in. There's no letting it go. There's no letting it just push out a bit, and then as the brake pad wears, it stays out a bit, because the seal's gripping it. It sort of pushes out and then sucks itself back in. But it's so hard to push it out because the seal's bubbled because of the corrosion underneath the seal, behind the seal, in the groove. Just grips it so hard that it's really horrible brake, really solid, like, I don't know, like you're using 2 blocks of wood to brake with. Yeah, that's all good. Oh, come on. You know you want to. There we go. Again, outer edge, really good. Not too worried about the inner edge in there. Probably this face here is wants to be quite flat because that's pushing against your pad, but in there don't matter too much. So that was a bit easier. So yeah, I'm not too worried about the inside of the piston. It does nothing for me. Right, now a pick. Yeah, so you can see the shit on the actual seals. And then let's get a torch. And then in there you can see all the rot. Should be nice and shiny. It's full of rot, and that's built up in there. Dirt, crap, oxidization, whatever you want to call it. Fills it up, pushes the seal out, which then pinches your piston, which ain't what you want. Well, you might want, I don't want. Usually the hydraulic seal, the oil seal, isn't usually anywhere near as bad. Yeah, it looks quite clean, that particular channel. It's your dust seal that takes all the shit. Takes the abuse, and then after a while it says no more abuse. But enough, leave me alone. And disintegrates. Well, it doesn't disintegrate, it gets pushed out. The shit behind it just says no. This is my groove. You get your own groove. Alright, yeah, they're all full of shite. Bit like me. So that'd probably be a Dremel with a brass brush. Just fits in there nicely, the old Dremel. Clean the channels out. Yeah, it's all them top seals, they're all rot. Nice. Nice. So I am painting these calipers, so they're going to get a good cleaning. But there you go, that's them. Just wanting a good clean now. I've got a bucket of warm water and fairy liquid over there. Give them a good scrub, see how they come out. Then start prepping for paint.